Oh, I've messed up again, I forgot.
Go right on the roundabout and take the third exit.
Oh, I've messed up again, I forgot.
But always think about the blockers. Have you got any blockers coming up?
No.
But
It's only one though.
Yeah. Anybody else?
No, just...
So what do we do then?
Go.
Is that person coming around into your front of your road?
No.
So who had the priority then?
Us.
Okay. Your second major fault is your mini roundabout. I was giving you the time to reflect and think, but I think you were getting slightly overwhelmed. The rule number one, who we have to give it to, who's our first priority? Car coming from your?
From the right.
That is your first priority. If they're going ahead or they're going there, that's your first priority.
Yeah.
If nobody coming from your right, who is our second priority, who we have to give way to traffic coming from where?
Straight ahead.
Straight ahead, but if they are signaling coming into our right, front of our road here.
Right.
Now there were so many cars on your right, I got it. But was there hardly any car who want to go on your right? No. Now were there any cars from ahead who wanted to go straight up? There were, isn't there? What do we call them?
Blockers.
Good. And generally, what did I say? If you see how many blockers you could go?
See 2 blockers.
We could go. There was a time where there were at least one blocker who was going slow, who could have used it. And definitely there was one occasion there were 2 blockers.
Right.
So those blockers were going where? Straight. How can you tell they're going straight?
No indication.
No indication. On a mini roundabout, by giving no indication, they are indicating you they're going straight.
Yeah.
Now, they did stop for you for a few seconds, but because when they see that you're only looking at where? On your right, and you're not looking where? Ahead, what they did, they just went. If you would have looked at the right and look ahead and you know they're going straight, because you need, this is a very simple way to remember. The right guy on your right, where you think they're looking?
He was looking towards them.
Towards them. They're not looking at us, did we?
No.
We're looking at where? There
To our right.
and ahead. So they're looking at their right and ahead. So that means when you know that those cars are about to go straight, what would you do quickly?
Would you go?
Yes, that's what you did. Because there was a white car who was signaling going there.
I think I need a bit more practice with that.
And finally, what happened? Now, there was nobody was coming from the right, and you were still hesitating, even though there was a white car who was turning to his left. He's looking at us, saying, come on, you can go first because we are going to his right. But you didn't. I have to intervene that time.
Yeah.
And that would be a serious fault. So thinking about it now, do you think you could have gone when you see the 2 blockers?
Yeah, I knew straight away I'd messed it up. My mind went blank again.
Yeah.